welcome to Rayyan's kitchen. Today we are making Arroz Con Leche. Let's see the ingredients. 7 cup water, 1 cup milk, 1 cup rice, 2 cinnamon stick, few raisins, a can of evaporated milk and condensed milk. So let's start cooking. Now we are adding water in a large pan. Add cinnamon and rice. Cook on a medium heat to 16 to 18 minutes. Our rice is boiling and it smells good. Cover and cook few more minutes. The rice is boiled. Now we drain the water and remove the cinnamon sticks. Now we add the rice. We drain the water. Now we are adding rice in a pan. Now we add milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. Then mix well. Cook on a low flame about 20 minutes, stirring continuously. Now it's thick enough and ready. Now our Arroz Con Leche is ready. Let's garnish the cinnamon sticks. My dad loves nuts in this pudding, so I'll add nuts in this one. So our Arroz Con Leche is done. So let's try. It's good. My brother's very picky, so let's see if he likes it or not. Try us on, say hello. Hello. Yes, I try it. Don't worry, you like it. I think it's a little bit good. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.